Yo, what's going on, amazing people? I'm going to be talking to you guys about a very important topic today, something that means a lot to me. So, I want you guys to unlock the mindset and really do put into perspective that trading is a marathon, not a race. And too many people have it misconceived or think that they're going to be able to run up bread extremely quick without going through the trials and tribulations, without truly understanding the key concepts of support and resistance, understanding where volume is, understanding the profitable trader's mindset, and having the psychology unlocked, right? A lot of people don't understand that you're going to change so much as a human being, and people have been trading even before I've been born. I'm 21 personally. Trading has been around since before the 90s, if I'm not mistaken. Um, and on TradingView, you can go ahead and date all the way back on NQ and stuff like that. You can see certain charts dating all the way back to 2000s and stuff like that, etc. So trading has been around for quite some time. People have been doing it for quite some time. So mentally prepare yourself to stay in this game. Too many people think that they're not going to be trading for a very long time, and that mindset is it couldn't be more flawed and skewed. People think that they're going to run up a bag eventually or just hit one big giant trade and then stop trading. That's not how it goes. You need to be ready for pretty much years worth of consistency and discipline because this is what you signed up for. Once you start trading, there's kind of no like quitting. I'm going to be honest. You're going to come back to it. I've seen lots of people, Twitter and stuff like that, etc. People who try and quit trading and they come right back to it because they miss it. They know it's something that they need to succeed in, and they know they're just not pushing themselves to the absolute limits. Right. So look, be mentally prepared to change over and over again as a person. Be mentally prepared to learn. Be mentally prepared to take L's. Okay? Because never forget in this game, the best loser wins. That's absolutely the case in training, 100,000%. The best loser wins. So, when you take your L, if you hit stop loss for the day, make sure you just close your trade and get off, bro. Get off. Because the reason why people spend years of not being profitable is a few reasons actually. Let me go over that. One, people don't get trading mentors, and that absolutely just holds people back. When you don't have a mentor, you're going to be going through a lot of ignorance debt and doing a lot of nonsense things that you really shouldn't be doing at first, and that's going to hold you back within your journey significantly, very significantly. And I do not want you guys to have to be going through that type of struggle or pain or just overbearing exhaustion from just taking L's pretty much every single day. You know what I'm saying? And I want you guys to be getting on the charts and taking W's, getting on and winning. Now, you're not going to win every single trade. That's one. But understand that no matter how long you do trade within this game, you're going to lose trades as one. So I don't care. There's not going to be a time where, like, oh man, I just got crazy at trading. I don't ever lose. Nah, it's not going to be like that. There's going to be times, yes, your win rate can be significantly high, 80, 90%, but there's going to be times where that 10% does exist because it's just not possible to have a 100% win rate. And it's not possible to win all the time in life either. So don't beat yourself up if you guys happen to take a loss or something like that. Just relax. Okay? It's honestly, it's not really that big of a deal. Just take your loss, get off for the day, and live to trade another day, inshallah. Okay? But when you do things like crash out your account because you're trying to get rich in a single day, that's where overtrading comes from, by the way. People overtrade because they're trying to run it up in a single day. People don't have enough patience to be like, okay, this is probably gonna take some time. Let me let me wait and understand that this journey is gonna take me a bit of time, and that's perfectly fine. But when you try and rush it, and when you try and put a time limit on when you're going to be profitable and stuff like that, etc., it skews the journey. It makes it a lot more difficult, and you end up putting like caps and limits on yourself, and that's really just not something that we want to be doing. You know, we want to be making sure that when we're on the charts, we're taking our time, we're very patient, inshallah, and we're making sure that we're just able to get on, bang our setups, and hop off the charts quickly. And we're going to be mentally prepared to do this for decades, years, and many years to come, inshallah. But too many of you think that you're just going to hit one big giant trade and then that's going to be the end of the day. That's not how it's going to be. If you decide to sign up for this game, you're going to be trading for a long time, probably. Inshallah. You'll be trading for a very long time. So don't think that you're going to just hit one big giant trade, never trade again. And no, this is years of discipline and consistency. This is years of making sure that you're sticking to the setups that you know you should be taking. Years of not making the same mistakes that you would made back in the day. You know what I'm saying? It's lots of improvement that's going to be needed on yourself. Lots and lots of improvement. So be ready for this journey. Be ready. Be ready to be in this game, bro, to survive. Okay? Don't be one of these people who quit trading because you just have no self-control. Ultimately, that's just what it comes down to. When people quit trading, or when I see people post their P&L and stuff like that of them taking big giant loss and stuff, like, understand that every time you take a big giant loss like that, you have no one to blame but yourself. Okay? So always keep that in mind. You have absolutely no one to blame but yourself when you take big giant loss like that. So relax. Okay? Take a step back from trading if you need to, paper trade, maybe get a mentor. Okay? Just take your time and understand that you got this, okay? There's too many of you giving up way too easily, bro, because you're trying to expect results instantly. And that's not ultimately, that's most likely not going to go that way. And that's okay. Things in life are not supposed to go that way all the time, to the point to where we just instantly get what we want and we're instantly just winning and succeeding all the time. Most things don't end up going like that in this world. And that's fine. So be ready and treat it like anything else, right? Treat it like anything else that you would do in life. Just take your time, take it day by day, and understand that things are going to take time for you to succeed. It's going to take time for you to see those big 10K days, 50K days. And don't compare yourself to anybody, bro. So a lot of people who like to compare themselves to other traders. Um, seeing them do big giant profits and stuff like that. Relax, man. Focus on your own journey. And I know it's so cliche, but it's so easy to lose your own happiness when you're caught up in other people's lives, you know? So don't be caught up in other people's lives. Be caught up in your life. Focus on your progress. So if your trades were going from $20 wins and now you're at $100 wins, don't think, oh dang, this guy just did a 500K trade. My trade, I'm not even making anything. Relax. Look at your own personal progress and see how you're progressing, because once you start that comparison stuff, it really ruins a lot. Truly. Truly does. Don't compare. Don't ever compare yourself to like anybody else like that on that type of like monetary standard. Okay? We all have different journeys. We all been put different through different things. You don't know what another person has gone through in order to for them to get to that position, and you don't know how much they struggled, right? Because a lot of the time, especially on social media, um, it's a lot of just winning, right? Not really a lot of people showing their L's and stuff like that. Just a lot of winning going on. So I want you to understand that don't fall for illusions and stick to your own lane, bro. Don't look at other people trying to do small account challenges and stuff like that. Just relax, man. Relax. Absolutely relax. It's gonna be cool. Okay? You got this. Take it day by day. And when you're losing at first, don't beat yourself up, bro. Like, just don't. Understand that, okay, I just started this. I might not be the best at it right now, but inshallah, God will, if I keep grinding, keep praying, I'm going to be able to get there. I'm telling you, you guys probably wouldn't believe it, man. I used to be awful at trading, like, pretty bad. But when I first started low key, me and my friend Devin from Heaven, shout out him, we were actually pretty profitable, pretty early. But the thing about that was we were extremely greedy. One, because of comparisons. This is why I'm telling you guys don't do this, because seeing other people such as Q Banks and stuff like that do big 500K trades. I remember there were times we would hit swing trades, bro. And keep in mind, we weren't bad at making money. We were fantastic at making money, but we were bad in the concept of we didn't know how to um pretty much understand what's in front of us, and that makes you a bad trader. When you get greedy, you become a bad trader. So, and that's not what I want for you guys at all. I want you guys to be good traders. You know, I want you to be able to go ahead and succeed and protect and provide for your family. But that's not gonna happen if you're being a greedy animal, guys. Okay? When you're trying to go ahead and you're trying to rush the setup every single day, you're trying to run up some bands. you're just gonna do nothing but hold you back significantly, bro. You gotta relax. Take it setup by setup, take it day by day, and understand that things are gonna take time, and that's perfectly fine. Okay? Just keep grinding, man. Just keep grinding. So way too many of you who just give up. It's disappointing. Okay? Alright, love you so much, guys. Make sure you guys stay prayed up. Make sure you guys keep grinding. If you guys are wondering what game I'm playing right now, this is World of Warcraft. Very, very cool. One of my favorite games. I'm playing it for almost a decade now. Just got back into it recently, right? So even when you guys are waiting for a trade, right? Instead of fiending, getting on the setup, trying to like fake out yourself, catching cringe 1 minute setups, literally hop on something, go start some business, just do something. Just hop off the charts for a second and just, yeah, it's going to be okay. Like literally just hop off. Okay. All right. Catch you guys in the next one. Blam. If you guys are looking for a cryptocurrency broker where you guys can trade crypto futures, altcoins, and meme coins, I recommend you guys head over to bitunix.com. You guys can either buy crypto straight up and buy your favorite coins using your card, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, XRP, etc. You guys also have the ability to trade futures as well, where you guys can either long or short cryptos such as Bitcoin, or even trade altcoins and meme coins such as Gala USDT. So you guys have a huge variety of what you guys want to trade, and the fees are pretty low as well. On bitunix.com, they also do give you guys a welcome bonus as well, where you guys can complete some very easy steps and get some free capital which you guys can trade with. There's also tons of trading competitions that go on that you guys can earn some capital to trade from too, and you can compete against your buddies. So if you guys are looking for a new crypto broker with low fees, fast transactions, and fast withdrawals, I'd head over to bitunix.com. Link in description below. Peace.